Snowflake. No, come back, Snowflake. But the blouse and skirts, brethren, every morning, babe, you know my ear like you see me deaf. Boss, man. Yo, what up? Yo. Oh, Lord the Father, I was having such a nice dream. Man, you have to get up for go on at work. Oh, the crows, man. Yo, that light almost burned out my retina. Where's my socks? Me can't deal with grandma sometimes. Every time she do my laundry, me can't find my sock them. Oh, me can't deal with this no more, man. Yo, the crotches smell nice? Yeah, man, crotches alright. Okay, yeah, man, this can't work. Ah, come on, 15, man, 15. Where is my socks? The Isle of Oregano tastes nasty but it work. Any matter in my eye? Any booger in my nose? Yes, booger. Okay, one booger gone, boom. Two booger gone, boom. No booger left, boom. Me for brush like 10 hours with these blinking braces in my mouth. Yo, how can me toenail grow so long? No time. Me for hurry up. Lord of mercy, me smell like dead possum crotches. No time for sure, make me just tidy myself. Under the armpit, down there so, into the crevices. Okay, we're good now. Tidy. Oh no, me can't find my sock. What them there? Oh Lord, Satan knew me go walk by this thing and if I have to put it there, make me walk up my foot. Look how Satan body. Hot yourself, get hot. Hot yourself, iron, hot yourself. Get the wrinkle out. Alright, yo, Satan bad for true, man. Me stop me toe now, you burn up my finger. Alright, let me go look something for eat now. Cookie, no cereal, any Rice Krispies? No Rice Krispies? Me fi deal with puff rice? How about this bootleg cereal named Puff Rice? Not too bad still, you know. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Boom. Read a little psalm in the morning early. That is what my grandma taught me. Hold on 1 second. Wait a minute. Is weekend? Back foot. Is weekend. Make me say something. Crosses. Is weekend for true. Me don't have work. Kiss me neck back. I'm eating, boom, spoon of cinnamon. Alright guys, so here's the cinnamon. You can read it yourself. Cinnamon, boom. Okay, now the spoon is full of cinnamon. 3, 2, 1.